Tired of those Reuse Dolce Gusto pods heading straight for the landfill? Let's unlock their hidden potential and turn waste into wonder. First, let's safely empty the pod. Carefully peel off the foil top, using a small knife or scissors, and dispose of the coffee grounds responsibly. They're fantastic for composting, by the way. Rinse the plastic pod thoroughly with warm, soapy water to remove any remaining coffee residue. Ensure they are completely dry before moving on. One fantastic use is as seed starters. Simply poke a small drainage hole in the bottom of the pod, fill each pod with potting soil, plant your seeds, and water gently. These mini planters are perfect for herbs or flowers and add a touch of green to any space. Remember to label each pod so you know what you have planted. Feeling crafty? Dolce Gusto pods are excellent for arts and crafts. Paint them, decorate them with glitter, or use them as building blocks for sculptures. String them together to create a unique garland, or use them as embellishments on greeting cards. The possibilities are endless. Let your creativity flow. And of course, always check your local recycling guidelines. Some areas now accept number 5 plastics like these in their recycling programs. By cleaning and sorting them properly, you can ensure they have the best chance of being repurposed into new materials. Every small step counts towards a greener planet. So next time you finish your favorite beverage, remember these simple steps: reduce waste, unleash your creativity, and give those Dolce Gusto pods a second life. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more eco-friendly ideas.